Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, was he that naive to assume that everything would be hunky-dory as far as Jammu and Kashmir was concerned? The Pakistanis would not lay claim to this huge area or would not invade this area, even though they had made their stand pretty clear. And throughout, from the Lahore, declaration, we have the 1940 declaration, the Lahore Declaration for the Muslim League. In 1943, Sheikh Abdullah actually aligns with the Muslim League and pretty much says that this part of the J&K state should go to Pakistan, or part of the two-nation theory. So with the history of all that, we are still not prepared, and we pretty much expose that entire state to the Pakistanis taking over.
You see, this is the tragedy. The tragedy is that Nehru, Patel, and the top Congress leadership was absolutely aware of what was going to happen after 15th of August 1947. And they were aware of the urgency to take action. But this whole thing about this two-nation theory and trying to resist that two-nation theory, so they strategized, and it is there. They are writing to each other, and they are writing to each other with a sense of urgency. And they say that no, the only way we can fight is not through the Maharaja. We can only fight the Pakistanis through Sheikh Abdullah. So Sheikh Abdullah needs to be immediately released from the prison. So Sheikh Abdullah gets released end of September 1947 from the prison. And he is thereafter immediately made the head of the emergency administration of Jammu and Kashmir.